My name is Pravin Kulkarni. I am from Godawari Electric Motors. I am working as a Senior General Manager, R&D Projects. Today's program, what Kalinga University has conducted, it is really a good insight for all the MSCM companies. And I take this opportunity to invite all the MSMEs to our company so that they can explore the more opportunities for their business expansion. I thank everyone for this beautiful and very good event conducted by Kalinga University. Thank you very much.
See such a large